What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can program a new key fob for this 2019 Chevy truck. And the first step we have to do is obviously get a scanner. Most of these trucks, they don't have the self-programming anymore. You have to use a programming tool like this one. This is a scanner, Autel IM608. And I already pre-selected the information on this car, so as you can see, I'm gonna start over from the beginning. So this is a Silverado 1500. It's a 2019 and it's a plate key. I'm gonna press yes, and we're gonna read the immobilizer first. Ignition is on. We open the ignition, and now we have to read all the modules. So what I'm gonna do is do remote learning. It's right there. Ignition is on, and it says all remotes will be raised. Press yes, and now I'm gonna press lock and unlock at the same time, and I'm gonna hear the beep and press continue. Okay, I'm gonna start over because it took a lot of time. So just go to remote matching. There we go. Ignition on. We're gonna hear the beep in a little bit. Press yes, and we'll press the lock and unlock at the same time. And there we go. You heard the beep. So that means the control is programmed. Test that out. I'm gonna remove the key and check it. And can you see? It works now. Alright, so this is how you program the control for a 2019 Chevy truck. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe and like the video. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.